My son, a bright and curious young man, recently started college. Watching him navigate this new chapter brought back a flood of memories. Memories of my own college days, filled with late-night study sessions, ramen noodle dinners, and the constant worry of tuition fees. It wasn't easy, but I knew education was the key to a better future. It got me thinking about the countless young people in Jamaica, my home country, who dream of going to college but face overwhelming obstacles. Young people with so much potential, held back by limited opportunities. I believe every young person deserves a chance to pursue their education, regardless of their background. That's why I'm so passionate about supporting initiatives that help make college more accessible for Jamaican youth. Education is more than just textbooks and exams. It's about empowering individuals, breaking cycles of poverty, and building a brighter future for Jamaica. Jamaica, the land of my birth, is a place bursting with talent and potential. But for many young adults, the path to higher education is riddled with challenges. Limited access to resources, financial constraints, and a lack of awareness about available opportunities create a system where too many bright minds are left behind. Imagine being a young person in rural Jamaica, your dreams stretching beyond the horizon, but your options feeling limited. The nearest college might be miles away, transportation is expensive, and tuition fees feel like an insurmountable mountain. This is the reality for far too many young Jamaicans. They are forced to make difficult choices between education and supporting their families, between chasing their dreams and facing the harsh realities of their circumstances. Nelson Mandela once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." These words resonate deeply when we think about Jamaica's future. Education is not just a personal pursuit, it's an investment in the nation's progress. When we empower our youth through education, we equip them with the tools to break down barriers and become agents of change. They become entrepreneurs, innovators, and leaders who contribute to Jamaica's social and economic growth. Education empowers individuals to reach their full potential, but it also strengthens communities and uplifts the entire nation. It's a ripple effect, starting with one student and spreading outwards, transforming lives and shaping a brighter future for generations to come. As much as we need to invest in our youth, we cannot forget the elders who have paved the way. Our grandparents, our parents, the pillars of our communities, deserve to live their golden years with dignity and ease. Yet, many struggle with mobility challenges, making simple tasks feel impossible. Imagine an elderly person unable to visit loved ones, attend church services, or even enjoy